Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and this file is a bitmap. It's got, it's all one piece. You can see it. You can't do anything with it. They want, and I did it, it's easy. They want the tail of the monkey to look like it's going around the golf club, and they want the monkey to be upside down. So I did it. Whoop. I think the yellow will make it stand out. Really pretty easy. Corel traced it unbelievably good for a text looking product. So we're just going to do it again. Nudge that out of the way. I'm going to take this. I've reduced it in size for the one I'm doing it for. It's less than 5 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 5. I am going to trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. The reason I made it smaller, I think it helps Corel more easily trace it. So there's your trace version, and move it over. And surprisingly, it is sharp. You could work a little bit on the golf club, but not really. So then we need to take it, and we're going to keep that copy. We're going to nudge over another copy, and we're going to go to Object, Order, Group, and ungroup it. Because I want this out of the way. I want my golf club. Well, let me see what I can grab on the monkey. Basically, you're going to have to take your pick tool, hold down the Alt key, and let's go down. So that got the entire monkey, because anything the Alt key touched is gone. You can see the tail of the monkey is gone, so we're going to have to fix that. But that's pretty easy. We're going to left click, right click, and what I'm going to do to make it easier, I'm going to take a 2-point line, start moving it, then hold down your control button. Then take your virtual segment delete key and delete this. Now, a couple ways you could do it, but what I'm going to do is just get rid of my lines. I'm going to hold down the Alt key this time and select all these. See, there's something else there. Well, it's part of the club, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take my shape tool, and I'm going to select all those, and I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to go across. Now, the lines don't meet perfectly, but we can take these lines with the shape tool. It is almost better to try to match up the nodes. They're pretty close. The club wasn't perfectly even. The other ones are close enough that it might join, but we might as well just do it real quick. Might have even been easier to just cut more out. Now I'm going to take the rectangle tool to stop a leak if I have a leak, and I have a leak. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the leak. We're going to take the pick tool, select our item, go to the shape tool, and there's our leak probably with the arrows. So I'm just going to select all those arrows and go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves. I've got mine set on 0.1. And see how it did that? It joined those arrows. But we still have a leak. A lot of times you'll have a leak if you have a double line. So let's look at that. Well, one, we have some lines right there we could get rid of. Whoop, went too far. You know, sometimes it'd almost be better just to start and draw all those lines over. But let's look at these lines. I'm going to hit delete. There's double lines there where I joined them together. Well, that's not double. Nope. Maybe it won't leak now. Let's see. Nope, still got a leak. So let's go and grab the entire thing again. go to the shape tool, grab the entire club, and hit apply. See, we've got some double lines. Let's see if it works this time. There we go. So now don't use that copy, or use the Smart Fill copy, and just to get rid of this. So there's our image. So we've got that part done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to actually stop the video and make two parts of this so they won't be so long. On the second part, we're going to move his tail and wrap it around the club head. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.